Akshit, how was maths class today?
Oh, the usual struggle. Mr. Patel's equations are like a maze.
Speaking of class, guess what I learned in English today?
Let me guess. More grammar stuff?
Yeah, but this time it's about articles a, an and the.
Articles? Like those things in newspapers?
Sort of, but not exactly. These are tiny words with big jobs in sentences.
Okay, I'm listening. What's the deal with them?
There are two types of articles, indefinite and definite.
So, what are indefinite articles?
Alright. First up, there are two types. A and an are called indefinite articles. They are for general stuff like a dog, an apple, a pencil or an orange.
Got it? A and N are indefinite articles. Give me some more examples.
A and an mean one. A and an are placed before countable nouns in the singular numbers. A car, a book, an apple, an umbrella.
So, we don't put a or an before an uncountable noun like give me a water or she has a water.
Yes, you're right, Akshit. Then there's the. The is called definite article. It's for specific stuff like the dog in our neighborhood, the apple on the table, the pencil in my bag, or the orange on the counter.
Specific things. Gotcha.
Exactly. And A goes before words starting with consonants like a book, a car, a table, or a house. And an goes before words starting with vowels like an egg, an umbrella, an apple, or an igloo.
Consonants with A, vowels with an.
Right. And sometimes we don't need any article like with names or general stuff. For example, London is a city, my name is Akshit, or dogs are loyal.
No article for names or general things.
Exactly. English isn't so tricky, right?
Thanks for explaining, Janvi. It's much clearer now.
No problem. Anytime you need help, just ask.